So the first thing I'll address for Sprint 2 is the things from last week that needed to be changed. One of the comments was that none of the data members should be public, so you'll see here in the Scorpion, Mushroom, any variables data members are all private, and any functions that should be public are all in public. Another comment was that the bullet shouldn't be responsible for changing a variable in the blaster. So now all the bullet does is on destroy, call the blaster function set bullet count. It'll pass in just one, however many bullets it needs, in this case just one of course, and then blaster will just fire off that function, set the bullet count, and it's all good to go without the bullet actually changing that number. It'll just call the function, which is the relationship between the two objects that was asked for. The next comment was that the position it wasn't shown how the position was cleared in the mushroom field when a mushroom died. So you can see in when a mushroom dies, remove pause is called with the shroom passed as the parameter. And it'll create a null pointer at that position where the shroom used to be. And the test is, of course, if it's null, then just print out this message. It'll say want to remove shroom at position, and successfully removed. So let me just run this really quick to demonstrate. So I'll destroy this shroom here, go to the output, find where it actually destroyed it. So want to remove shroom at 1329, which is the right position, successfully removed. So that's all good. So for things this week, you can see I have the Scorpion running across the screen. The Centipede head. Of course, so here the Scorpion actually causes an error if it doesn't touch any mushrooms. I'm not exactly sure why, but I'll have to run through that and fix this error. But you can see when it does touch a mushroom, it poisons it, and poisoned mushrooms can be destroyed. Just like regular mushrooms, they have their own health. I have the moving centipede head that moves down, switches direction whenever it hits a wall or a mushroom. You can see its actions right here. If I can get to destroy it, I can show how it actually spawns a shroom. It might be a bit difficult to get that to happen right now. 1 second. There you go. So once it's destroyed, it spawns a mushroom at the nearest grid cell. It's just a regular mushroom that can be destroyed, and it is part of the grid because the grid itself is the one that's creating it at that position as long as it's null. You can see the blaster can no longer collide with mushrooms. It's a bit wonky because of the collision. It just sets the position to its previous X position, which is set in the update before all the movement happens. So you can see I just can't touch mushrooms anymore. I can't move through mushrooms anymore. So the centipede head, it is basic movement that just goes down. I wasn't able to figure out how to keep it in the player area, nor was I able to figure out how to get the smooth turning when it goes down. But the very, very basic movement is there, and I'm pretty happy with that progress. I just wasn't able to figure out how to get the other things to work efficiently. So those are things I'll have to work on for this week and for the next sprint. Another thing that was asked for this sprint was the poison mushrooms. I already showed off. You can see where the Scorpion touches them, they turn poison. Again, that's the error that I'll have to fix. But the Scorpion's all good. It can be destroyed by a bullet if I can get it. There you go. Poison mushrooms are all good. Mushroom health is working. Basic centipede head movement. Blaster collision with mushrooms. And that seems like it's about it for the sprint 2. So thank you so much.